Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the surface indicator or the oil change indicator for a Porsche Cayenne 2015 model. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Unfortunately, it is not possible to do it with by hand manually, so I'm going to show you how you can do it by a diagnostic tool. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, it's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the commentary and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. When we turn the ignition off, there's an indicator over here. It says oil change now. We're gonna look it up by, there is a turn wheel button over here. You can press it also. Once you press it, you have to turn it to vehicle. Once you are here, press it once again, then we go to info, press it, then scroll down to surface interval, press it, and here you can see the surface intervals by scrolling up or down. Okay, once you are here, go back, we open our diagnostic tool, Auto Maxicom. Go to surface, oil reset, then auto detect the car by searching automatically with the tool to the car. Yes, press OK. Press OK, then go to hot functions, oil reset, and you have reset maintenance interval and auto oil reset. I'm gonna do them both. Press this one, select main, intermediate maintenance and the oil service. Execute, select all of them, execute. Just wait a bit, succeeded, it says succeeded, exit, go to auto oil reset, it's the same, we've done that, go back, check if it worked, turn the ignition off, turn back on the ignition, and as you can see, doesn't turn up anymore. Surface is in 60,000, the other one is in 30,000, and the oil change is in 30,000 for the next surface. That was it. Unfortunately, as I mentioned before, it is not possible to do it by hand. I hope this video helped you. Use the commentary if you have any comments or questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.